Welcome to my review channel, Softspot Reviews. Today we talk about FB AdMaster, Ad Profit Blueprint. And are you ready to elevate your Facebook marketing strategy and achieve outstanding results? Introducing the FB AdMaster, Ad Profit Blueprint, a meticulously curated collection of 9 powerful ebooks designed to equip you with the knowledge, techniques, and tools to dominate the Facebook marketing landscape. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or digital enthusiast, this bundle offers insider secrets and proven strategies to elevate your online presence, maximize engagement, and drive unparalleled growth. Dive into the EFB AdMaster, Ad Profit Blueprint, and start seeing your marketing efforts pay off like never before. The Chakusei Kumwaim Fanshel Theory FB AdMaster, Ad Profit Blueprint is an invaluable resource packed with essential insights and actionable strategies that will transform your Facebook marketing approach. Each ebook in the bundle is carefully crafted to provide comprehensive coverage of different facets of Facebook marketing, ensuring that you have the best tools and techniques at your disposal. From advanced advertising tactics to effective content creation and lead generation methods, the FB AdMaster, Ad Profit Blueprint, offers everything you need to succeed. By investing in the FB AdMaster, Ad Profit Blueprint, you are setting yourself up for a future of successful marketing campaigns and remarkable business growth. Imagine unlocking the potential to reach a wider audience, engage more effectively with your target market, and achieve a higher return on investment, ROI. This bundle is designed to help you do just that, offering you the opportunity to learn from experts and apply proven strategies to your own marketing efforts. The FB AdMaster Ad Profit Blueprint bundle includes 9 ebooks, each focusing on a different aspect of Facebook marketing. Whether you are looking to master remarketing techniques, minimize ad costs, or understand the latest trends in Facebook Messenger marketing, this bundle has you covered. Each ebook is filled with practical tips, real-world examples, and step-by-step guides to help you implement the strategies effectively. Unlock your Facebook marketing potential with the KWIFU FB AdMaster, Ad Profit Blueprint. This bundle is ideal for digital marketers and professionals who want to stay ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving digital landscape. By mastering advanced Facebook marketing techniques and strategies, you can drive better results for your clients or companies and stay competitive in the market. What do you gain by purchasing the FB AdMaster, Ad Profit Blueprint? You gain access to expert knowledge, comprehensive coverage of essential topics, cost-efficient strategies, and time-saving techniques. Your skills will be enhanced, engagement will be higher, and ROI will improve significantly. Additionally, you will be able to generate more leads, grow your brand, and gain a competitive edge in your industry. On the flip side, not investing in the FB AdMaster Ad Profit Blueprint means risking missed opportunities, wasting time on ineffective strategies, and incurring higher costs with lower returns. You may experience slower growth, lower engagement, poor ROI, fewer leads, and a weaker brand presence. Furthermore, you risk falling behind competitors and limiting your skill development. The Quasi FB AdMaster Ad Profit Blueprint bundle is perfect for anyone looking to gain expert insights into Facebook marketing. Whether you are a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this bundle will provide you with the tools you need to succeed. It covers a wide range of topics, from the basics of Facebook marketing to advanced strategies for maximizing your ad profits. If you have any questions about the FB AdMaster Ad Profit Blueprint, we have you covered. This bundle includes a comprehensive FAQ section that addresses common queries, ensuring that you have all the information you need to make an informed purchase. You will learn about the contents of each ebook, who the bundle is suitable for, and how it can help improve your marketing efforts. Additionally, you will find information on how to purchase the bundle, access the ebooks, and take advantage of any additional resources included. The FAB AdMaster Ad Profit Blueprint offers instant access to its wealth of knowledge and comes with bonus resources to further enhance your learning experience. Upon purchase, you will receive an ebook license, granting you lifetime access to the valuable content within. With a money-back guarantee, you can invest with confidence, knowing that your satisfaction is a priority. Unlock the ultimate Facebook marketing playbook today with the FB AdMaster, Ad Profit Blueprint. Start mastering strategies, boosting engagement, and skyrocketing your business with this exclusive 9 ebook bundle. Don't miss out on the opportunity to turbocharge your Facebook marketing efforts and start seeing results fast. Thanks for watching my review channel, Soft Spot Reviews. If you need any help, please write the comments section. Thank you so much.